Hello, today we are going to be using addition with regrouping to solve the following problem. At Memorial Hermann on Monday, there were 25 hospital patients with a fever and 16 patients with broken bones. How many fever and broken bone patients did the hospital receive on Monday? To solve our problem, we are going to be using concrete, pictorial, and algorithm models. We will be starting with the concrete model. We're going to build a table. And so that we do not have to refer back to the word problem, we are going to have our solution in front of us as well, which would be 25 patients with fever plus 16 patients with broken bones. We will have our tens on this side of the table and our ones on this side. First, let's show the patients with fever. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next, we are going to show our patients with broken bones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that we can regroup, we're going to start adding the ones place first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are going to compose 10 of our ones so that we can move it over to our tens place. Now we can go ahead and add what we have on our tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we would have 4 tens. And then we would also count our 1 in our ones place, equaling 41 patients. Now we are going to do the same thing, something very similar, using a pictorial and algorithm model. Again, let's have our solution so that we know what we are working with. 25 patients with fever and 16 patients with broken bones. We're going to do our table for our pictorial model. And we are also going to do one for our algorithm model. So the pictorial model is very similar to the concrete. We are going to show our 25 patients first. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are going to show our patients with broken bones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For our algorithm model, we are going to look at this other table and record our patients with fever first, and then our patients with broken bones. So let's go back to our pictorial. We would start by regrouping our ones place. We will go ahead and compose 10 from our ones and switch it over to our tens. And then we can go ahead and add our tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we would also remember to count in the 1 in our ones, equaling 41. Now for our algorithm model, we will go ahead and add our ones place first. And it will be 5 plus 6 is 11. We cannot record 11 in our ones place, so we will have to compose a 10 out of 10 ones and regroup it to the tens place. So we will add a 10 here. Now we can go ahead and add our tens place first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then we would also record our 1 left in our ones place, equaling 41. Now we have 4 tens and 1 1, which is equal to 41, our answer. Now let's go back to our word problem. The solution is 25 plus 16 equals 41. Our solution sentence would be: the hospital received 41 patients on Monday all together.